Greetings everyone! Today I'm gonna make a flower wall. Alright, so I guess first things first, I gotta pick out what flowers I want to put on the small one. So I think I'll try to make this a little more dark since this room is pastel. Tape on the wall. There's some tape on the wall. Alright! This is going to be the color palette, just a lot of cool blues. Well, okay, in the leaves there's cool blues, and it's orange. I'm confused. Anyway, the next thing to do is take everything off and reorganize it. You like these pine cones? I found them on the floor. First, we're going to set down the leaves. Alright, these are all stuck on. It looks kind of shitty right now, but maybe it'll get better. Overall, this was kind of a pain to make because I don't have enough flowers. But personally, I would say that the aesthetic is pretty much what I was going for, you know? You see flower walls and they're very thick and bushy, but I'm going more for like a vine aesthetic. And with this, my transformation to cottagecore queen is almost complete. Also, you know what? I don't really know what wall I want to put it on. Don't you dare! Alright, now that I'm done, I'm gonna edit this video, upload it, and then take a nice little nap. Because as you can hear, I'm very tired. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Aw man, eventually I'm gonna have to do this one too.